We're with Sandy. Sandy, what is the bird of Alberta?
Bird of Alberta? The bird is the magpie.
I don't want to say goose because I don't like geese, but swallow. The golden goose. The blue jay.
Albatross?
The bird? The bird of Alberta.
Canadian geese?
I have no idea. Woodpecker? An eagle?
Bird of Alberta. Crows.
Next one. Ro, what's the bird of BC? Oh, yeah. Yes, spun that question.
A seagull?
Yeah, I don't know what it is. Next question. How many people would you say travel from Edmonton to Calgary and Calgary to Edmonton as an average per day?
Per day? I got 123.
Thousand? Or just
1,500.
20,000 maybe?
Wow.
Wow.
Probably around 8,000.
8,000 is not a bad guess.
350 easily. Or more.
Yeah, more.
10,000.
5,000.
500.
300 people.
10,000 people?
20,000.
Oh, you're so full of crap. You cheated. You cheated.
23,252.